Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make school lunch style bibimbap. As you know, bibimbap is a really popular Korean rice dish. We Japanese love to eat it as well. It's a really popular rice dish here in Japan. And it is served as a school lunch as well. One day I saw the school lunch menu and found bibimbap and I wondered how they make it. So I asked my daughter's teacher, then she kindly taught me how. And I learned that the meat and vegetables are cooked together, served on top of the rice with scrambled eggs. Why scrambled eggs? Because they can't serve raw eggs to kids. There's a rule that they have to heat food up to 75 degrees. It's tasty and delicious, quick and easy. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut meat into bite-sized pieces. Beef or pork ground meat is okay. Wash bean sprouts and drain well. Cut carrot into strips. Wash and cut spinach into bite-sized pieces. Break 2 eggs. Use a deep frying pan or a pot. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and make scrambled eggs. Then mix in rice and set aside. In the same pan, bring water to a boil and parboil the vegetables. Drain well and set aside. In the same pan again, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Heat grated garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the meat and cook until no longer pink. When the meat is cooked through, add the vegetables. Mix the seasonings and add into the pan. Season with salt and pepper if necessary. Then finish with the sesame oil. Serve on top of the rice. Garnish with some toasted white sesame seeds. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
そうだね。
なので気をつけて食べます。おいしくておいしい。
辛かった？
皆さんコチュジャンは少なめにしましょう。
辛い。
チャンネル登録お願いします。チェットボタン押してね。バイバイ。